Hello and welcome back to Snappy Code Insights. In today's video, we are diving into variables in Python, their data types, and learning how to receive inputs from user. Before we jump in, if you missed my previous video, I highly recommend giving it a watch.
If you are learning from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Your support means a lot. Let's start our course. Variables. Variables are one of the most fundamental concepts in programming. They are not unique for Python. You will find them in almost every programming language. A variable is nothing but a name given to memory location where you store data for temporary. Here I have created variables. Course duration is equal to 20. This is equal to operator is nothing but your assignment operator. It assigns 20 to course duration. When Python interpreter runs this code, it allocates some memory, store the number 20 there, assign the labeled course duration to that memory location. Imagine you have a box. Inside that box, number 20 is stored. The box is labeled with course duration. Now, whenever you need that number, you can use label course duration to access the value 20. Let's print course duration to the terminal. To print a value inside a variable, you need to print course duration without any quotes. Now we can change the value stored in the variable. For instance, course duration is equal to 30 means we are assigning new value 30 to course duration. Let's print course duration holds value 30 instead of 20. These are whole numbers. We call them integer in programming. Now let's talk about data type. Data types is nothing but type of data a variable can hold. In the case of course duration, whole numbers are stored and hence the data type of course duration is integer. Now consider rating. Rating is equal to 4.5. I am assigning 4.5 that is a floating number and hence data type of the rating is float. On similar line, there is string. Whenever you store string in any variable, the data type of that variable will be string. There is one more data type that's Boolean. It can either take true or false. Is completed is of Boolean data type.
Python is case sensitive language. Hence, is completed is assigned to true with capital T. If you assign true with lowercase t, it will give you error.
Another important data type is none. None indicates absence of value. When user don't want to assign any value to variable, you can assign none. The data type of that variable will be none. Whether it's filling out a form online or entering a data into a calculator, programs often need to receive inputs from user. In this topic, we will learn exactly how Python program receive inputs from user. In Python, there is a built-in function called input. Input function prompts user to type something. Whatever they type gets stored as a string. Here Python will display the message, what is your first name? Wait for user to type their name. Once user enters their name, the value is written by input function. We need to store it in a variable like name is equal to input. What is your first name? Question mark and space. The space separates your cursor from the question. Let's print and greet hello to that user. Let's run. And that's all for today. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how variables work and their data types and how to take inputs from user in Python. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.